What if I told you a stock that was struggling just 1 month ago has suddenly surged over 40% in a single month? And now experts are saying it might even cross 80 rupees soon. This is not a small company. This is one of India's biggest renewable energy players, Suzlon Energy. But the real question is this really just a hype? Or is there a real strength behind it? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Let's start from the beginning. Back in March, Suzlon stock was trading near its 52-week low of around 38 rupees. At that point, investors were either ignoring it or thinking the rally was over. But then something changed. In April, the stock didn't just rise, it exploded. It surged over 40% in just 1 month, making it the best April performance since 2009. And today, the stock is trading around the mid-50s range. That's a massive comeback. But here what it makes even more interesting. Over the last 3 years, Suzlon has given around 576 return. Over 5 years, it's up more than 1000%. This is what we call multi-bagger stock. But the past performance guarantee the future gains? Not really. So let's go deeper. Now let's understand what the charts are saying in simple languages. Right now, Suzlon's RSI are around 74. RSI above 70 means there are more buyers than sellers. In simple terms, the stocks are overbought. That means it has already gone up a lot in a short time. A small correction is possible. But here's the twist. The stock is also trading above all its key moving averages, from short term to long term. That's actually a very strong bullish signal. Even experts believe the stock has broken out of a consolidation phase, and one key level to watch is 40 rupees, important stop loss for level. As long as it stays above this, the trend remains positive. Now comes the big question. Can Suzlon really reach 80 rupees? According to experts, yes, it's possible. One analyst clearly said, if the stock holds above 40 rupees, it can revisit 80 rupees levels or even go beyond. But not just one expert. Multiple brokerages are bullish. JM Financial targets 64 rupees. Centrum Broking target 74 rupees. Others target 66 rupees to 67 rupees range. So what does this mean? Short-term targets are lower, but long-term expectations are high. 80 rupees is not impossible. It will depend on real business growth, not just hype. Now let's talk about the real reason behind this rally. The business. Suzlon is not just a stock. It's a renewable energy company focused on wind power. And right now, India is going through a massive energy transition. More electricity demand, industrial growth, data centers expansion. All of this means huge demand on power and especially clean energy. Suzlon is directly benefiting from this trend. Here are some key strengths. Strong order book of 6.4 gigawatts. Expected 51% revenue growth. Record deliveries in recent quarters. Plus, they recently received a 100 megawatt project from GAIL, a major PSU company. And that's not all. They are expanding globally. They are launching new products under Suzlon 2.0, entering European markets. This shows one thing clearly. The company is in growth mode. Now let's see what big investors are doing. Foreign institutional investors, also known as FIIs, have been increasing their stock in Suzlon from around 21.8% to nearly 23%. That might not look huge, but in the stock market, smart money moves slowly but confidently. This tells us big investors are still accumulating the stock. They believe in the long-term story. So what's the conclusion? Suzlon Energy is clearly showing strong momentum, strong fundamental, strong sector growth. But at the same time, slightly overbought, short-term corrections are possible. So, is 80 rupees possible? Yes. Will it happen immediately? Not necessarily. This is a huge potential but volatile stock. If you want more such simple stock breakdowns, subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments, do you think Suzlon will cross 80 rupees? I'll see you in the next video.